Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am going to discuss about a butterfly shaped gland, and the gland lies in front of windpipe or trachea, just below the voice box or larynx, and the gland is known as thyroid gland. When we see the anatomy of thyroid gland, it consists of two lobes, and these lobes are present at sides of windpipe or trachea, and these two lobes are connected with strips of tissues which are called isthmus. But in some people, the isthmus is not present and lobes are located separately. Thyroid gland synthesizes two hormones, T3 and T4, by obtaining iodine from food or blood. The thyroid gland receives stimuli from pituitary, that is anterior pituitary. The thyroid gland synthesized hormones by a process in which hypothalamus secretes thyrotropin releasing hormone. This thyrotropin releasing hormone acts on pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of thyrotropin stimulating hormone from anterior pituitary, and then thyrotropin stimulating hormone act on or target the thyroid gland. In response to the stimuli from the hypothalamus, thyroid gland secrete two types of hormones, triiodothyronin or thyroxine, T3 or T4. The thyroid gland synthesizes these hormones by obtaining iodine from the blood. Thank you so much viewers, and Allah Hafiz. In my next lecture, I will explain the process in which the hormones T3 and T4 are synthesized and released into the bloodstream. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest and more relevant videos. Thank you.